Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and we're Katie and Houston's largest distributor of AC adapters. So if your AC adapter breaks down or you're having problems with it, you can bring your laptop into the store, and we have just about every AC adapter available. Whether you've got a Dell, an HP, an Acer, Lenovo, Toshiba, anything that you want, we're going to have an AC adapter for your needs. If for some reason we don't have the exact one, we also do have a range of universal AC adapters that are going to fit your laptop. Give us a call, 281-647-9977. Thank you.